Alright. Anybody want to guess what this motorcycle is? This thing flies. Well, kind of flies in slow motion. But anyway. This is obviously, maybe most of you have seen it, but it's an Enticer. It's gone through quite a bit of stuff over the last, I think, maybe 2 months. I think it's a pretty interesting build. I think most of you probably are wondering what's kind of going on. It kind of looks similar, but it's looking maybe a little more beefier, etc. But if I was to sort of just kind of walk through some of the stuff that's been done, it's running a full Interceptor front end. It's got some headlights which somebody can take a guess as to where they're from. Some sort of basically done some work in terms for functionality. We've added a fuel gauge. We've added obviously an RPM meter, speedo sort of thing from a customer's perspective to sort of make this more usable. He's also added some fancy bells and whistles to this motorcycle in terms of TPMS, USB charger, mobile holder, etc. So the tank's of course the same. We added the fuel gauge, we cut, welded, etc. We reshaped the rear of the motorcycle, as you can probably see. The Enticer is pretty ugly when you look at it from the side. It's got this flowing kind of shit on the side which doesn't really look good. And so basically what we did, we chopped all this. We added the rear fender, we added a tail lamp, and I think it kind of looks nice now with a beefier 150 tire. The Interceptor rear shocks are what's sort of holding the back end in. And as I mentioned, I think the front's pretty much on Interceptor. Apart from that, the lights, the horn, etc. So it's kind of come out clean in my opinion, like a little bit more than better than I thought it would turn out to be. And apart from, I think, some small little glitches in getting this done, it took us a little bit of time. But it's an interesting build. So hopefully, Sinu, the customer, enjoys this, and he'll take it out for a spin. He's been here quite often, so that's it. So I think it's a pretty cool build.
Hi Sinu, how are you? Good to see you. Thank you so much for letting us have a field day on your motorcycle. So just wanted to get your thoughts on what you started off with in your mind versus what you see, and whether you hopefully you enjoy what we've built together.
Absolutely, and I'm out of words. You surprised me. It's as if the experience is as if I'm going to a showroom and getting a brand new bike.
Awesome.
If you recollect, this is an old Yamaha Enticer bought in 2003. And for nearly 13 years, I've forgotten about it. And when I found this bike, it was rusting, falling apart, and that's when I googled and I called you. You said, yeah, anything can be done, bring it, we'll see. Brought it here, and since then my experience has been outstanding, and I don't have words to thank you. This is one of the best places that I have been, and you have taken care of this bike, and it's as if a new beast is in front of me.
Thank you.
It doesn't look like what it was before.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Appreciate all the help that you have given me and support and the time.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. I hope you enjoy the bike.
Sure.
And we'll see you on this as well as other motorcycles that you're planning to get.
Absolutely. This is just the start.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.